doing the punt.
Let's find out. Best of luck, Terry! You're a good boy, you can have your apple back. Amazing!
We'll get the apple now.
Yeah, you do.
Thank you very much. Thanks guys, thanks for coming and putting up with my stupid jokes. I know everybody doesn't get it. Sorry about the little bit of swearing, kids. But if you want to learn some more words, come and see me later. I've got a logo and t-shirt. Anyway, Ben's back out. Hang about, stay supporting. It's kind of cool to see Ben out and about in the real world with the rest of us now. So get behind him. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Terry Grant! Thank you, Terry, and well done. Of course, Terry will be back with us later on today. But coming up, it's the one and only Ben Collins, who was